Welcome. If you want to make your Instagram profile stand out and help others discover new accounts, there's a simple feature you can enable, showing account suggestions on your profile. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to turn on this option using the Instagram app on your PC, following the latest update. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your Instagram account on your computer. Once you're in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several icons. Click on the profile icon. It looks like a little person. This will take you directly to your own Instagram profile page. Now that you're on your profile, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually found near the top of the page, right next to your username and profile picture. Go ahead and click on Edit Profile. A new panel will open, showing all your profile details, like your name, username, bio, and more. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. This feature lets Instagram display suggested accounts to people who visit your profile, making it easier for your friends and followers to discover similar accounts they might enjoy. To enable this feature, simply click the checkbox next to Show Account Suggestions on Profiles. Once the box is checked, your profile will start showing these suggestions to visitors. This is a great way to support other creators and help your followers find new content. After you've checked the box, don't forget to scroll down and click the Submit or Save button at the bottom of the page. This will make sure your changes are applied. And that's it. You've successfully enabled account suggestions on your Instagram profile using the PC app. Now, whenever someone views your profile, they'll see helpful suggestions for other accounts they might want to follow. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on making the most of your Instagram experience. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.